Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a really simple banner, really elegant and really cute. I hope you like how your banner looks like at the end of this tutorial. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below, and also share this to who you think will be interested. So now let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is select a picture of your choice. And you're going to go onto Safari and you're going to type in remove.bg. Here you're going to upload 2 pictures of your choice and you're going to erase the background. Okay, so you just click on upload image, photo library, and then choose the picture you're going to erase the background from. So I'm going to be doing this one. And then once it erases the background, you click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your camera roll. The next thing you're going to do is download these 2 fonts. So I'm going to show you guys the font name that you have to download. So the first font you're going to download is called Armulate Demo Regular. And the second one you're going to download is called Ancestor Signature. So you're going to go onto dafonts.com. I'm going to show you guys just in case you don't know how to do it. So dafonts.com. Then you're going to click on this search bar here at the top and you're going to type in the font I just told you. So for example, I think this one was called Ancestor. Hopefully it comes up. Yeah, that's the one. And then you just click on download and then it should come up with like an arrow pointing downwards with a blue background like that. So click on downloads and then click on the font. And then it should take you to your Files app. And once you finish downloading these 2 fonts, we're going to go to PicsArt. You're going to click on the plus sign and you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on this white background. Next, you're going to click on Tools, Crop, and you're going to click on the number bar at the top. And you're going to type in for the width 2560 and for the height 423 and click on OK and then apply. The next thing you're going to do is click on sticker and you're going to type in black paper tear. Great. So the one I chose was this one here. Okay. And then I just zoomed it like that. I tilted it and I placed it here in the corner. Then I clicked on these 2 squares at the top here. Then I clicked on duplicate and I just placed that on here like that. And then now I clicked on apply and that's the way this should end up looking like. The next thing you're going to do is save it by clicking on the arrow here at the top. And then now we're going to go into Fonto. You're going to click on the camera, photo albums, and then click on the image that you just saved from PicsArt and then click on done. The next thing you're going to do is type in your YouTube channel name. So hers was Shamila. It has to be in capital letters, by the way. So Shamila Bryan. And the fonts that I used for this one was Armulate Demo. I made it a bit smaller. Then I clicked on style. Then I went on to stroke and I clicked on the black color. And I just kept the width to 6. Then I made it smaller like that. Now you're going to click on the name again. Then you're going to click on these 2 squares here to duplicate it. And then you're going to click on text. And you're going to type in your name again, but this time you're going to be using the font Ancestor Signature. And it has to be in small letters. Great. But this time you're going to click on style, you're going to go onto stroke and you're going to take the width down to 0 and you're going to click on the black color by going on text. I brought it down a bit and I took it to the side like that and I made the text behind it smaller and the one on top of it bigger, but not that big. you're going to click on the cursive letter 1, and then you're gonna go into style, and you're gonna choose the black color, and then increase the alpha to 20. I think that should be fine, or a bit more. Okay, yeah, so keep the alpha to 51. Okay, and you're just gonna take the text a bit more to the side like that, because here we're gonna be adding the picture. Okay, great. So now you're gonna click on the 3 lines and then add image, and you're going to add the first picture that you erased the background from. So mine will be this one. I'm going to make it big like that, and I'm gonna decrease the alpha down to 40. I think 40 should be fine. And then after that, click on the 3 lines again, add image, and I added the other picture. But this time I didn't decrease on alpha. I just placed this one on top like this. So make the text go up a bit more, because underneath here we're going to be adding your social media. So we need some space, you know. So now the next thing you're going to do is click on the arrow and then save the image. Great. Now we're going to go back to PicsArt, go to the home page, and then upload the picture that you just saved from Fonto. Then scroll and click on sticker, and then type in black Instagram logo, and then choose the one that you like the most. Oh, that's the one. I went for this one. Okay, and I just made it small. I zoomed into the banner so it made things easier, and then I placed the logo there. So you're gonna type in all the social media logos that you want to include in your banner. I only happen to know the Instagram of this lady, so that's why I went for her Instagram. You can position it anywhere, but I decided to keep mine below the name. I clicked on text, and then I added her Instagram username. And then I scrolled, and the text I chose was many welts. I think that's what it says in there. And then I zoomed into the banner again, and I made the username smaller, and I placed it there next to the social media icon. Then I clicked on apply. So now you're going to go to your Instagram profile page, and you're going to take a screenshot of it. Once you finish screenshotting it, you're going to come back to PicsArt. Then you're going to click on add photo, and you're going to upload the screenshot. And you're going to make it small like this, tilt it, and then just place it at the side like that. Okay, so now you're going to click on sticker, and you're going to type in iPhone black frame, and the one I went for was a black outline of an iPhone, which was this one. So I went for that one. I zoomed into the banner because that just made things easier, so always remember to do that. And then now I'm just gonna zoom into the phone frame, and then just place it on top of the screenshot like that. Great. And now you're gonna click on apply, and it should look like this so far. Then now the last thing you're going to do is click on text again, and then type in how often you upload on your channel. I just typed in new videos every day. Clicked on color, then clicked on the white color, made it smaller, and I took it there. And then I typed in the other part. And now if you want to add this, you don't have to, but I went back to sticker, and then I just typed in black subscribe. And then I chose this one here. and then I placed it at the side. So that's the end of this banner tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, share this to who you think will be interested, and also comment down below. I love you all so much. Have a great day. God bless you all, and see you in my next video. Bye.